Big boy!
Yeah, so we're there up on the beach. Both we go through out. Yeah. Get your big boy today. Where's the unks? Where's the unks?
You're alone, man. See you? Early settings, you know? Early settings, man. The unks is here. Unks is here.
Yeah, man. All them. First cast of the morning. Piece of fish head. See it there? See it there, put on this one. First cast of the morning. A shark! Unks! Shark!
Big boy! We don't eat shark, you know? I put him out in the water, man. I put him out in the water. Come on, care about man, yeah, man.
Hurry up.
What? Nah, I did.
Yeah, man, peeps. So, don't know we not eat shark, so I have to throw about that in the water. But stay tuned. Hold them.
I miss them call him our sap. You know? So yeah, star sap this man. We have 3 men in the water still here, sir. Yeah, we're not destroy him. We're not destroy him.
Yeah, man, peeps. So, active, you know, but what we catch and what we don't eat. So, we have to go on the same way. Yeah, man. Eh? Let's say another one. Make it a shot there. Another Bream. Yeah, man. All them.
Yes, no man.
Nice Bream. One more at them. Come here! Come here, man! Come here! Come here! Yo, you see that? See that? Look at! You see my move? A jack! Jack attack! Jack again! Don't know. Hold them. Yeah! That one you fat, me not lie. It itch? Bust it, man, hunks. I'm turning on this. Yeah, man, him belly fat. Yeah, what them? Yeah, peep, so I'm gonna show you what I'm going with the catch. It's a hung sketch, the general. Go see how much at hung? 16. So that's just hung sketch, peeps. So something else. The people know what I'm going on.
Yeah, man, I mean them call the unks, man, you know? No.
Yeah,
One
man.
them.
There's a here one daughter. See, popular one there right there, so. And then we have my one them in here, so. Yeah. And then we have Michael over there, so. A scale film on them. Wow, go on, Mike. Yeah, man. Hold them. Hold them. We go and go to that still. Yeah, man, peeps. So that's a wrap for today. Today was a very good day. We did well. The team did well. Now we give thanks for what we get today.